This plant stand can quadruple your growing space because it has 3 tiers, plus it has a bar with 5 hooks. So if you have like smaller plants, you can hang 5 more plants in here. Let's use this as an example. These are like bigger growing pots. So like that. If you have like smaller pots, you can hang more, like 3 more. I have edible plants here, but you can also use this for flowering plants. You can have different kinds of flowering plants here, or for succulents, or for like herbs. This is the perfect herb plant stand. This is made of coated metal, very sturdy. It can support like really like heavy load. So this is good for indoor and outdoor. So in your backyard garden, if you have a balcony, if you live in a high-rise building. These 3 are 2-liter grow bags. This is squash, this is taro, this is sage, and then I have 1-liter grow bags there. One is like that is rue, and then the other one is chives. So these are more of like herbs, but you could grow, you can dedicate this like plant stand as your herb garden. This would be a really nice plant stand for the herbs, like different kinds of herbs. So you have like chives, rue, sage. You can add basil, thyme, rosemary, lavender. What else? All the herbs that you like to use for cooking, you can have them here. Plant stand for crawling plants like the squash, bitter melon. You can grow cucumber here. You can have the cucumber climb in here. So even if you have like a small balcony, you can still grow edibles using this like plant stand. Lots of edibles. If you have like a small space like this, you can only grow like say 4 pots, but without a plant stand. But with a plant stand, you can quadruple your growing space. I highly recommend this like plant stand from Wieghda. This was given to me by Wieghda. The link is down below if you're interested. This is very easy to put together. I'll show you how I put this together. There you go. And then the post. It has taken shape. It's almost done. I just need to add the top layer and then the rack on top. I just need to put this in. The link is down below if you're interested.